Hello everybody, my name is Jackson Wingler, and today I'm going to be showing you a cool little website here called HubGrader. This website is incredibly helpful as it grades your individual HubSpot account and matches you up against other people's. So, as you can see here, we have all of this information from a test account. As you can see for today in this test account, the total amount of events in this test account's past has been 167,781. You can see how many features are used inside of your account on a basis. You can see your activity dates and your overall grade. Now, as you can see down here, here's all the products that you would have for your account. It'll show, and it'll give you some analyses, such as your engagement levels, your top strength, and any recommendations that it may have for you. And here you can see how many features you're using and how often you use them. Moving on, you can see right here in the Buy portal. This will show you if you have any additional portals to your account, how they're doing, and how they relate to you. And then right here, by week, you can see how often your account is going to be used bi-weekly. And here we are, leaderboard. This is where you're going to kind of compete against other people. You can see who's ahead of you, who's under you, their LinkedIn. You can see what they're doing differently. Now over to the right, you have an AI chat where you can ask whatever you may need it to, what you can do to improve, what are the top 5 most used features, what have I stopped using, what can I do better? And then you can connect your LinkedIn. And when you do, it'll show a cool little icon underneath your connection to HubSpot. It'll show you what percentage you're in. And of course, over here, HubSpot accounts. This will show you what accounts you are personally tied to and what you do in them. And that's all there is to this account. Thank you for watching. My name is Jackson Wingler. I hope you have a great day.